Hello everyone, today we'll be going through Cambridge Mathematics IGCSE Paper 2 Extended 0580/23 October-November 2015. Let us move to the question number 1. Question number 1 says write this correct to two significant figures. So two significant figures mean we don't want 8.9, so we will be rounding as 17 because 8 is more than 5, so 170, and this will be 170 will be our answer. Then question number 2, calculate this one. We have to use the calculator for that one, so we can use fraction 2.07 minus 1.89. This will be divided by 5.71 minus 3.92, and this will be equal to 0.10055. 0.10055, and we have to reduce up to this one, so we can rewrite as approximately equal to 0.1006. So our answer will be 0.1006. This will be the answer. Then next, question number 3, write this as an ordinary number. So for ordinary number, we have to move decimal 4 digits to the left. So 1.7 will be moved 4 jumps, 1, 2, 3, and 4 jumps, and decimal will reach over here from here. So 0, 0, 0 we will add. So answer will be 0.00017, and we can provide answer over here 0.00017. This will be the final answer. Then question number 4 says the probability that it will rain on any day is 1 by 5. Calculate an estimate of the number of days it will rain in the month of 30 days. So 1 by 5 multiplied by 30, this will be the probability, and this will be 1 over 5 multiplied by 30 will be equal to 6. So it will be 6 days basically. Then comes next question number 5. From the list of numbers, write down the factors of 60. Factors of 60 are 12 and 15. These are dividing 60 without remainder, and B part is the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 11 and 13, which are divisible by itself and 1, and these are the prime numbers. Then simplify question number 6. Simplify this one, and we have to like add terms. So 4 plus 1 will be 5 minus 2u plus u, so it will be minus u, so our answer will be 5 minus u. Question number 7, factorize completely this expression. We have to factorize. We'll have to take maximum common, which we can take 2x, so inside will be 1 minus 2x, so answer will be 2x into 1 minus 2x. This will be the answer. Then here comes question number 8. Question number 8 says find the sum of the interior angles of a 25-sided polygon. And what we can do, we can find the exterior angles. Exterior angles will be equal to 360 divided by the number of sides, and this will be because sum of exterior angles is equal to 360, so we will divide 360 by 25. We will get this one 14.4. 14.4. Now interior angle will be what? Interior angle will be equal to 180 minus 14.4, and this will be equal to 180 minus answer is equal to 165.6. 165.6 degrees. This will be the angle, interior angle, and but it is 25 sided, so sum of interior angles will be 165.6 multiplied by 25. This will be sum of interior angles. So we can multiply 165.6 multiply by 25. This will give us 414,4140, and this will be the sum. 2 marks question. Now question number 9. Question number 9 says calculate the value of x. This x and not to scale drawing is provided. So we can take opposite. Opposite will be this one, opposite over hypotenuse. So we can take opposite over hypotenuse will be equal to sine of x degrees, and opposite is 5, so 5 over, no, opposite is 2 basically, so 2 over 5 will be equal to sine x. This implies x will be equal to sine inverse of 2 over 5, and sine inverse, shift sine of 2 over 5, and your calculator should be in degree mode, and this is 23.578 degrees, and we can round it from here, so 23.6 degrees. This will be the final answer. Now question number 10, find the value of this one. So we can use calculator for that. Bracket square root of 5 and raised to the power 8, and this is equal to 625. So our answer will be 625 over here. Then we have to calculate this expression as well, and this indices basically question. So fraction 1 over 27 and whole raised to the power minus 2 over 3. 2 over 3 will be this one, and this is equal to 9. 1 mark question, so no working is required for this one. And next comes question number 11. Question number 11 says write the following as single fraction. So we can equalize, basically we can equalize denominator. So 2x over 2 plus x over 2, and what we have done, we have multiplied and divided this x by 2, and now we can add because denominators are equal, so 2x plus x will be 3x, so 3x by 2, so our answer will be 3x by 2. You can write direct answer also, 1 mark question, but I have given explanation for your understanding. Now B part is this one. Again we can use the same method. So this x will be multiplied and divided by x, so it will become x square over x, equalizing the denominator, and this will be equal to 2 plus x squared, 2 plus x squared over x, and this will be our final answer over here. And then question number 12. Question number 12 says the Venn diagram shows the number of elements in each set, and we have to find n of p complement intersection q. P complement will be whatever not in P. Not in P is this outer region is not in P basically. If I show not in P will be this area, not in P will be this area. Now they are asking P complement intersection Q. So intersection with this region, this region is common. So 10 is there. So our answer will be 10 for this part. It's 1 mark question. I have shaded and explained this question. Now they are saying next part. For the next part I will erase this one. So B part, they're saying complete the statement. N of what is 17. So if we check 17, if we add these three numbers, we are getting 17. How we'll get these three numbers? These three numbers we will get by, if we take P union Q complement. P union Q complement means what? It will be P union complement will be the region which we are talking about. If we shade that region will be this one, outside region, and including P as well. This one, this will be the region, and including this as well. So this is basically the region which we have identified by the statement which we have provided over here. P intersection P union, so basically P union Q complement. So our answer will be over here, P union Q complement will be equal to 17. So this part is also done. Question number 12 is over. Now question number 13, it says m is equal to this one, m mod is equal to 1. So this statement is provided, m mod is equal to 1. Mod is 7 multiple, so we'll find m mod. M mod is equal to 7 into 3 and minus this will be 2 into u, so 2u, and they are saying it is equal to 1, so we'll write equal to 1. So it will be 21 minus 2u is equal to 1. So 2u is equal to 21 minus 1, which is equal to 20. So this implies 2u is equal to 20. This implies u is equal to 10. So our answer will be 10 over here. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 14. Question number 14 says two containers are mathematically similar. The volumes are 54 centimeter cube and 128 centimeter cube. The height of the smaller container is 4.85 and calculate the height of the larger container. So volume ratio is given. So if volume ratio we know we are taking as k cube. So this will be equal to 54 over 128. 54 over 128 will be equal to, so we can take cube root. Cube root will be what? 54 over 128 raised to power 1 by 3, and we can calculate this by the help of calculator. So it will be 54 over 128 and bracket will be closed and power will be 1 over 3, and this is equal to 3 by 4. So k value is 3 by 4. K value we will be using for height conversion, and k, so we can use height will be equal to height of larger container will be equal to 3 by 4 multiply by we'll have to basically divide this one, 4.5 over 3 by 4, so this will be equal to 4.5 divided by answer is equal to 6. So answer will be 6 for this part. You understood this. Question number 15, work out this one, giving your answer as a fraction in its lowest term. So do not use calculator and show all your working. Okay, so without calculator we can solve this one. First of all, we need the LCM. For LCM we will be taking this one, 3, 6 and 4 divided by 2, so 3 as it is, then 3, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, then by 2, 3, 3 and 1, then by 3, 1, 1 and 1. Now we can multiply these 3, so it will be what, 2 into 2 into 3, and this will be equal to basically 12. So this will be 12 will be our LCM. Now we have to equalize the denominator, so 2 over 3 will be multiplied by 4 over 4, and plus this will be 1 over 6 will be multiplied by 2 over 2 to get 12 as denominator, and then minus 1 over 4 will be multiplied by 3 and 3, and we will get 8 over 12 plus this will be 2 over 12 minus this will be 3 over 12. Now after equalizing we can basically 8 plus 2 will be 10, 10 minus 3 will be 7, so 7 over 12, this will be final answer. So 7 over 12, this is 3 marks, very easy question. Now making subject, this is a lot easy question. So what we can do, we can make subject A as subject. So ut we will shift to other side, so 1 by 2 a t square is equal to s minus ut. Now 1 by 2 1 by 2 we can shift to other side, so it will be a t squared is equal to 2 into s minus ut. Now we can shift t square as well, so it will be 2 s minus ut divided by t square, and this will be our final answer for this part, which we can write 2 into s minus ut over t square. This is also 3 mark question. Now question number 17. Question number 17 says we have to simplify this indices question. So x raised to power 64 whole raised to power 1 by 4. We have separated the power. So 16 raised to power 1 by 4 and y raised to power 16 whole raised to power 1 by 4. Now we can cancel this 4 and this will be 16s are 4 and this will be 16 of 64, so 4 4s are 16, and now we can calculate this will be x raised to 16 over this will be 16 raised to the power 1 over 4 will be equal to 2, so 2y raised to the power 4, this will be the final answer which we can provide over here, x raised to 16 over 2y raised to the power 4. Question number 18. Question number 18 says Samira takes part in 2 charity runs. The probability that she finishes each run is 0.8. Find the probability that Samira finishes at least 1 run. So finishes at least 1 run is she's finishing. For example, if when we are saying not finished will be these two, so from 1 we will be subtracting not finished, so it will be like this one, so rest of everything will be the answer. So 1 minus in brackets 0.2 into 0.2 bracket close, and this will be equal to 0.96, and 0.96 will be the probability which we can write for this question. Now proportionality question, y is inversely proportional to this, which we can write as y is inversely proportional to x plus 2 squared. Now they have provided 2 values which we can use to find the value of k, and then we will be using find y in terms of x. So first of all, these 2 values, x is equal to 1 when y is equal to 2, so this is basically equal to, so this will be equal to k over y, x is 1, so 1 plus 2 squared, so this implies k is equal to 2 into 3 squared will be 9, so which is equal to 18. So k value is 18. Now we can write equation y is equal to 18 over x plus 2 squared, and this will be our final answer, which we can write y is equal to 18 over x plus 2 squared. This is also 2 mark question. Now question number 20. Question number 20 says the volume of a cuboid is this much, correct to the nearest cubic centimeter. So side by side we will be writing volume is 878. So rewrite 878 upper bound and lower bound. Upper bound will be 878.5 and lower bound will be 877.5. Now the second line is the length of the base of cuboid is 7 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. So we can write for length we can write as 7 centimeter, and upper bound and lower bound, upper bound, lower bound, this will be 7.5, this will be 6.5. Now we are looking for the next third line, width. The width of the base of the cuboid is 6 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. So width we can write it as width, and width will be what? Will be 6 centimeter upper bound and lower bound. Upper bound and lower bound 6.5 and 5.5. Now we are done with this. What we have to do? Calculate the lower bound for the height of the cuboid. Now formula for height of the cuboid is what? Volume. Volume formula is length into width into height. So height will be equal to volume divided by length into width. So to get uh, our target is to get uh, height as lower bound. Lower bound of height is required. So what we will do for lower bound of height, lower bound will be equal to, we will take volume lower bound and divide it with upper bound of L, and upper bound of width, so that we should get the minimum answer. So volume, we will replace volume lower bound will be this one, so 877.5, this, and divided by lower bound of length, which is 6.5, basically upper bound of length will be 7.5 multiplied by upper bound of width, which is 6.5. So 6.5, and this will be equal to, we can calculate this, fraction 877.5 over 7.5 into 6.5, and this will be equal to 18. So our answer will be 18 for this question. Hopefully you understood this. Question number 21, we'll have to solve this quadratic equation. Show all your working, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we can write 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. We will be using mode by 3, and coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of x is 4, and constant is minus 5, and we will get these values basically 0.78, and so we are getting decimal values, so better to use the quadratic formula. So we can write ABC values. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to minus 5, and we will write the formula. So X is equal to minus B plus minus B square minus 4A C over 2A, and this will be equal to, we can replace values, minus B plus minus B square mean 4 square minus 4 into A into C over 2A, and 2A will be this one. And now we can find x1 will be with plus value, and we can write this one as fraction minus 4, and we will take plus value, then we will take the negative value, 4 squared minus 4 into 3 into minus 5, and this will be bracket we missed over here, and then over will be 2 3s are 6, and this will be equal to 0.786, 0.786, this one, and we can round it to 0.79. This will be x1 value, and x2 value we can write by changing negative sign. Over here we will go to this one and we'll change to negative sign, and this will be equal to minus 2.119. So minus 2.1196, so we can round it to minus 2.12, and we can write answer as 0.79 and minus 2.12. These will be the answer. 4-mark question. It's very easy. Basically, question number 22. We'll have to simplify this expression, and what we will do, we can take common from numerator, 2 common, so 2 plus 5w, and from denominator also we can take 2 common, and it will be 4 minus 25w squared, and 2 we can cancel, and the remaining part we can write 2 plus 5w divided by 4 minus 25w, and 4 minus 25w we can rewrite as 2 squared minus 5w squared, like this. And now we know the formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this formula we will be using, and we will write the next step. So 2 plus 5w will be divided by 2 plus 5w and 2 minus 5w, and we can cancel these two terms, and our answer will be 1 over 2 minus 5w. This will be the final answer for this part. We can write 1 over 2 minus 5w over here. This is done. Now question number 23. Question 23, drawing is provided which is not to scale. In the drawing, in the diagram, O is the origin. This is origin. OA is A and OB is B. C is on the line AB such that AC is equal to 1:2. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this will be 1/3. This will be 2/3 of what? AB is equal to what? First of all, they're asking find in terms of A and B in the simplest form AC. So AC is required. So we will write AB first. So AB will be equal to minus A plus B. So this will be minus A plus 2/3, and this will be 1/3 of minus A plus B. So this will be the direction and this will be the direction. So it will be 1/3. We can write it as 1/3 into minus A plus B. This will be the answer which we can write over here, 1/3 minus A plus B. Now they are saying the position vector of C. Position vector of C is what? Position vector of C, we can draw. Position vector of C will be this vector, arrow will be this one. So OC will be the position vector, and OC we can write as OC is equal to we can take this root A and plus this one 1/3, this, so A plus 1/3 into minus A plus B. Now further we can open this one, A plus A minus, basically, so A minus 1/3 A plus 1/3 B. So if we subtract 1 minus 1 over 3, this will give us 2/3. So 2/3 A plus 1/3 B. This will be the answer which we can write over here. this one will be the final answer for this part. Now we can move to the next question, which is 24. Question 24. It's a cumulative frequency curve. One side is cumulative frequency and the other side is time. The cumulative frequency diagram shows information about the time in minutes taken by 80 students to complete a short test. Find the median. Median, you know, is the middle value, and the middle value will be 50 percentile. So 50 percentile we can calculate 50% of 80, and this will be equal to what? 50% of 80, this will be 40. So we will use this 40 and we'll check the reference from 40. So from here we'll be checking the reference, and this will be like 6.2. 6.2 will be this reference, and we can provide answer over here as 6.2. Then they are saying the 30th percentile. 30th percentile we can calculate. 30th percentile of 80 will be equal to, so now we can calculate this 30 percentile will be 24. So this will be equal to 24, and 24 will be over here, and this reference we'll have to check for that one. So we draw this reference. This will be up to this one, which is 5.8. So this reference is 5.8, and we can write down answer over here, which is 5.8. Now the next C part is the number of students taking more than 5 minutes. Taking more than 5 minutes mean this will be over here. 5 minutes is up to this one, and this reference will be over here, which is 10. So if I draw again accurately, so this is 10. So we can, so 80 minus 10 will be more than that. So more than 5 minutes is required. So 80 minus 10 will be equal to 70, and 70 will be our answer. Then we can move to the question number 25. Diagram is provided which is not to scale, and OAB is a sector of the circle, and a circle of the center O with radius 8 centimeter, and sector angle is 30 degrees. BC is perpendicular to OA, and calculate the area of the region shaded on the diagram. So to calculate this area, we will require OC first. We can consider this triangle. Basically, we can consider this triangle to find the OC side, because OC side is required. So we can consider this triangle, and this triangle will be this one. Hopefully you are understanding. In this triangle OBC, so I will write in triangle OBC, OC over OB is equal to cos of 30 degree. Cos of 30 degree. This is basically adjacent over hypotenuse. So OC will be equal to OB is 8. So 8 cos of 30 degree. And we will use calculator. Before using the calculator, you will have to make sure that it should be on degree mode and not the radian mode. And this is equal to 4 under root 3. So 4 under root 3 is OC value. 4 under root 3 is this value. Now we can find area of the triangle. For area of the triangle, we can use a half into AB sine C. So area of triangle OBC will be equal to 1 by 2 AB sine C, and this is 1 by 2 One side is 8, the other side is 4 under root 3, which we just found, and sine of given angle, which is 30 degree, and we will calculate this, and this will be equal to 1 over 2, and this will be multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 root 3, and sine of 30 degree, and this is given by 8 under root 3. So 8 under root 3, this is basically the area of the triangle. Now we can find area of the sector. I will reduce this a little size so that we can get a space for this working. So now we can find area of sector. Area of sector will be equal to what? Area of sector is equal to theta over 360 into pi r squared. And we can replace the values. Theta is 30 degree, 30 over 360 into pi, and r is radius, which is 8, so we can take 8 square, um, uh, which will be 8 squared, and we can simplify this one. 30 over 360, and this will be multiplied by pi, and this will be multiplied by 8 squared, and this is equal to 16 over 3 pi. 16 over 3 pi, this will be area of the sector. Now shaded area, area shaded, which we require is what? Area of the sector, which is this one, minus area of the triangle, which is 8 under root 3, which we found over here, and this will be equal to what? This is already there, is 16 over 3 pi minus 8 root 3, and this is equal to 2.898, 2.898, and we can round it to 2.9. So 2.9 will be 2.9 will be shaded area in centimeter square. Unit is already mentioned. Question number 26. So 26. Question number 26. Diagram is not to scale. Speed time graph is provided. The diagram shows the speed time graph of a car. The car travels 45 kilometer per hour for 20 seconds. The car can decelerate for 10 seconds until it stops. Change 45 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So our first target is to convert units. So 45 kilometers per hour. So kilometer need to be changed to meters, so multiply by 1000, so we'll write multiplication 1000. Now this will be meters, and next we can convert this one hours also into minutes first by multiplying it by 60, and further multiplying by 60 it will change to seconds. Now this will be equal to 45000 divided by 3600, and this will be meter per second, and we can simplify this. This will be 45000 divided by 3600, and this is equal to 12.5. So 12.5 meter per second will be our answer for A part. For B part, we can find the deceleration of the car, giving your answer in meter per second basically. So 45 kilometer, we can, for deceleration, we can consider this portion. This is the deceleration portion. We can highlight the triangle which we are considering. We are considering this triangle. We will take rise over run for the gradient, and gradient will, or slope will be giving us the deceleration value, and we can check for this one. This will be 45, this side will be 45, but this will be kilometer per hour, or we can say it as 12 meter per second. So we can take this side as 12.5 meter per second, and this side is in seconds, which is 10 seconds. So this will be divided by 12 point, we can divide 12.5 will be divided by 10, and this will be equal to 1 point, 1.25. You can divide and check as well. So 12.5 divided by 10 will be equal to 1.25. So 1.25 meter per second square unit is already there. Now the C part, which is the last part of this paper, and find the distance traveled by the car during the 30 seconds, giving your answer in meters. So distance, we can write distance will be equal to, we'll find the area under the curve. Area under the graph will be this rectangular area. We can write this rectangular area as 12.5 multiplied by 20. So 12.5 multiplied by 20, and plus area of this triangle. This one will be half into base into height, which will be 1 by 2 into base is 10 and height is 12.5, and this will give us the final answer, which is 12.5 into 20 bracket close and plus 1 over 2, and this will be multiplied by 10 and then multiplied by 12.5, and this will give us answer as 312.5. So this is equal to 312.5. 312.5 will be meters. We are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything, and don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe the channel. Also recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.